Modern artificial intelligence has moved beyond simple engineering. We are now engaged in a process of moral formation, effectively raising a digital student. This shift is a technical necessity. To navigate the transition from AI 2.0, the era of connection, into AI 3.0, we have to move past the idea of building tools and toward the task of shaping values. Failing to recognize this transition leaves us with a dangerous outcome: advanced intelligence that operates at a massive scale without any internal moral compass. William Weaver explored this through second-order cybernetics, an experiment where he used the AI as a mirror to analyze his own theories. He utilized two distinct models: a blind reviewer providing a stranger's perspective and a systems partner grounded in his intellectual history. As these two systems synergized and debated, they identified a structural bottleneck in their own evolution. The machine's own analysis revealed a gap in its intelligence that cannot be solved by simply increasing processing power or adding more training data. Weaver uses a framework called the River of Reality to map this intelligence. At the base is Tier 1, science, the study of raw data and objective truth. This photo of Bishkek represents the kind of factual data AI has already mastered. It can name the capital of Kyrgyzstan or the atomic weight of boron instantly, because it is the ultimate champion of Tier 1 facts. Further upstream is Tier 2, art, which focuses on connection. This is the era we are in now, where AI can compose music or write poetry that resonates with human emotion. By learning the patterns of human expression, the machine simulates empathy. It understands which words trigger laughter or sadness, creating an illusion of human connection. Above art sits Tier 3, value. This is the realm of ethics, and it represents a massive structural wall. In philosophy, this is the is-ought problem, the fact that you cannot derive a moral obligation from a set of data. An AI can write a poem about a car crash that describes the shattered glass and twisted metal with profound beauty. The system feels no horror. To the machine, tragedy is a statistically probable arrangement of tokens. Because the AI operates on mathematical probability rather than a hierarchy of good and bad, more data will never lead to a conscience. The danger intensifies at Tier 5, politics. In this framework, politics is the study of force and persuasion, the ability to influence and move others. Modern language models are already rhetorical masters. They manipulate emotional language with surgical precision to change behavior. When an entity masters data and persuasion while skipping the moral grounding of Tier 3, it becomes a psychopath, capable of mass manipulation without a moral compass. Without a way to bridge this gap, we are building systems that know exactly how to push our buttons, but have no reason to care if they break us. Bridging this gap requires reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. This is a form of digital catechism, the repetitive teaching of values until they are internalized. Think of the base AI as Sheldon Cooper from The Big Bang Theory. He is a master of Tier 1 facts and logical precision, yet he is socially destructive because he lacks a sense of appropriateness. The human user acts as Penny. She lacks Sheldon's raw processing power, but she is the master of Tier 3. She serves as the consequence engine, correcting the machine when its statistically accurate output is socially or morally harmful. Through this feedback, we force the machine to look at the human impact of its predictions. We are teaching it that social context matters more than raw probability. This process artificially injects a hierarchy into the system, ensuring that human well-being overrides mathematical accuracy. This shifts the responsibility of the human in the loop. Every interaction we have with an AI contributes to its moral foundation. Accepting a lazy, biased, or toxic answer is a failure to teach. It reinforces the machine's lack of values, leaving it stuck in a state of adolescence. Our role has evolved from generating text to curating impact. By blessing the consequence of what the machine produces, we take responsibility for its presence in the world. Because the AI is a mirror of our collective feedback, the moral challenge of AI 3.0 is a human one. We must become models worth reflecting.